Good afternoon, Diane Neetling for Imsyser Health, and today we are focusing on the His&Hers skincare range. The His&Hers skincare range was actually born out of a deeper understanding what's happening in the gut. It's all about your microbiome, and the manifestation on the skin always would be similar to what's happening on the gut. Happening in the rest of the body for that matter. So there's a lot of focus on the probiotic. We do have our unique probiotic blend, a reblended blend in that we use not only for internal use for the gut healing, the skin helping, moisturizing, keeping the skin microbiome nice and healthy. I will just show you. This one is the probiotic for internal use. It is also a proprietary blend probiotic that we are using in the skincare range. We have in that range a face wash, we have biotic sprays, and then we have the serums, the gels for the skincare. So this unique product is very much aloe based. We all know the advantages of using aloe in a product. Other than managing pathogens, it is also very well known for its super antioxidant rich aloe, which feeds and heals the skin, moisturizes the skin. Aloe is very popular globally, and to boost that, as I said, we've put the Imsyser probiotic, the proprietary blend probiotic into that product, and then of course hyaluronic acid. We have added that because hyaluronic acid is very well known for plumping up the skin. Everybody's well known with that. So it's 3 simple ingredients. It's as natural as we can possibly make it, probiotic rich, so it's very good for your skin microbiome. And then all of these value add hyaluronic acid helping with the moisture content in the skin, and so too obviously your aloe. So I hope you enjoy that product. That is the His&Hers RejuV Gel, and I'm Diane for Imsyser. Thank you.